So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the latest and newest and full of aspects is Samsung Foldables phone. So, Samsung has been enjoying the foldable supremacy and quietly building its loyalty customers based in ultra premium smartphone segment in India for the past 4 years. Since it hasn't really had mass competition till now, Motorola did try with the Razr series by launching the Razr 5G in models in India, but with seemingly Razr success, this is the new upcoming phone. So Chinese smartphone brands have only begun warming up idea of launching foldables in other market outside China. However, they are approaching it with a lot of cautions. For example, Oppo has only launched a smaller clamshell foldable called the Find N2 Flip in the country and not the Find N2. Motorola is all set to launches the Razr 40 and more premium clamshell and foldable called Razr 40 Ultra in the following weeks in India. Looking at the larger horizontal folding device, Tecno launched the platform V Fold this year at an extremely competitive price. Meanwhile, Google recently announced Pixel Fold has also been restricted to select markets only, excluding India. It is similar. It seems like the competition is finally closing on Samsung, but the company has a solid 4-year lead in the foldable aspect. On it should be feeling confident with the next launch, which is right around the corner. Samsung has officially confirmed its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place sometime in the late July in Seoul in Korea, and that will be announcing its next foldables. Samsung hasn't named them yet officially, but they're most likely to be Samsung Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. So we have reviewed several foldable device from Samsung in past, and I have been using the company Fold Flip smartphone technology for a while. We already have torn rumors and leaks about the respective models. So this should be the picture. A larger display on the next Galaxy Fold. I have been using a Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 battery optimizing software experience in the Flip, right, and the more refined hygienes and better cameras. You will get three cameras. So that's all, guys. Hope you understand.